Today we're diving into a revitalizing 5-minute morning stretch routine designed to ground your body and enhance mobility. This flow is perfect for anyone seeking to awaken their muscles, increase flexibility, and start the day with a burst of energy. All you need is a mat and an open mind. This routine can be performed anywhere you find comfort, be it your living room, bedroom, or a serene outdoor space. This sequence is meticulously crafted to release tension, enhance flexibility, and invigorate your entire body. We'll move through child's pose, a grounding and hip opening stretch, low lunge twists to open the hips and stretch the spine, kneeling side angle stretches to stretch the side body and hips, bird dog stretch to strengthen the core and improve stability, and standing forward fold toe sweeps to stretch out the hamstrings and energize the body. Most people might hit the snooze button, but not you. By committing to this routine, you're setting a powerful tone for your day. I promise you, by the end of the session, you'll feel grounded, energized, and ready to conquer whatever comes your way. Remember the comfort of curling up after a long day? Let's recreate that solace to start your morning. Kneel on your mat, big toes touching, knees spread wide. Sit back on your heels and extend your arms forward, lowering your chest towards your knees. Rest your forehead gently on the mat, breathing deeply. Child's pose is a restful posture that gently stretches the hips, thighs, and ankles while calming the mind. It promotes relaxation and helps alleviate stress and fatigue. By the end of the stretch, you'll feel a sense of peace and readiness to embrace the day. Beginners, place a cushion between your thighs and calves for added support. Advanced, bring your knees closer together to deepen the stretch in your back. As you breathe deeply here, imagine releasing any lingering tension, making space for new energy. Ever feel like your body craves a good twist to wring out stiffness? Well, let's indulge that need. From child's pose, rise to all fours. Step your right foot forward between your hands, aligning the knee over the ankle. Place your left hand firmly on the mat and twist your torso to the right, extending your right arm skyward. Gaze up at your right hand, holding for 30 seconds, then switch sides. This dynamic twist opens the hips, stretches the spine, and enhances digestion. By the end of this movement, you'll feel a revitalized flow of energy throughout your day. Beginners, drop the back knee to the mat for added stability. Advanced, lift the back knee off the mat to intensify the stretch. Feel the rejuvenation as you untwist, bringing balance to both sides of your body. Imagine reaching for the first light of dawn, embracing the day's potential. Return to a kneeling position. Extend your right leg out to the side, foot flat on the mat. Place your right hand on your right leg and reach overhead, leaning toward the left side, feeling the stretch in your left side body. Swing your arm gently for 30 seconds, then switch sides. The stretch elongates the side body, improves flexibility, and opens the hips. By the end of this pose, you'll feel a heightened sense of openness and readiness. Beginners, keep the extended legs slightly bent if straightening isn't comfortable. Advanced, deepen the stretch by sliding your hand close to the ankle. As you return to center, notice the increased space within, preparing you for the next movement. Think of a poised bird dog, embodying balance and focus, qualities we're about to embrace. Start on all fours, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Extend your right arm forward and left leg back, keeping them parallel to the floor. Engage your core, ensuring your back remains flat. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch sides. Bird dog strengthens the core, improves stability, and enhances overall balance. By the end of the stretch, your spine will feel supported and your body will be aligned for better posture throughout the day. Beginners, perform the movement without fully extending the arm and leg. Keep them slightly bent to maintain stability. Advanced, Add a crunch by bringing your extended elbow and knee together under your torso, then extend them again. Feel the steadiness of your body as you return to all fours, grounded and ready for a final stretch. Ever feel like your hamstrings and back just need a deep, satisfying stretch to wake up? This one's for you. From all fours, transition to standing at the top of your mat. With your feet hip-width apart, hinge at your hips and fold forward, reaching for your toes or shins. If comfortable, add dynamic toe sweeps by lightly brushing your fingers side to side across your toes. Keep your knees slightly bent if your hamstrings feel tight, and breathe deeply. This stretch deeply elongates the hamstrings, calves, and lower back, while the toe sweeps engage additional mobility in the hips. By the end of the stretch, you'll feel refreshed and energized, with your legs and spine fully awake. Beginners, place your hands on a block or the seat of a chair for support. Advance, straighten your knees completely and deepen the fold by pulling your chest closer to your thighs. As you slowly rise back to standing, notice how much lighter your body feels, like you're ready to take on the day with ease. Fam, you've done it. You've unlocked powerful energy within your body, grounded, flexible, and ready to conquer the day. Most people might skip this, but not you. You showing up for yourself is the ultimate win. If you sit at your desk all day, I've got a special freebie for you to take your flexibility to the next level. It's in the description below. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.